I want you to imagine 5 elements levitating in space or in a vacuum. Place one element at the center with the other 4 equally spaced around it in a 3-dimensional way. Realize that each of these on their own is a powerful element. Now see them being connected to each other, where each element is linked to every other element around it. This is the continuum, a space where everything is connected to everything else, and where every element has the power to influence or impact everything within this continuum. Because of this interconnectedness, the sum of these interconnected power dimensions creates a super powerful realm. And now it's time to relate this to the topic of expectations. So go ahead and replace the element at the center of the continuum you imagined with the expectations dimension. Now around this dimension, replace each sphere with the following dimensions. Each of these you'll recognize as powerful forces in your everyday life. Perceptions, or your worldview or how you see things. Emotions, that includes your state of mind or your attitude. Purpose, or the meaning or value you assign or attach to anything. And behavior, which includes your actions, inaction, and reactions. When we talk about expectations, this is what's in play. What you have that you are unaware of is the super realm of the expectation continuum. It's a cluster consisting of expectations and 4 dimensions that are power forces in our lives, and they are all interconnected. And this is why an expectation is not simply a word or part of speech, a noun or a descriptor. When they are interconnected and exerting influence on each other, and each one is an integral component of the others, then you have something super powerful that is constantly in play in everyone's lives all the time. But here's the thing. Touch one dimension and you set in motion a reaction in all the other dimensions. But I would like to demonstrate just how powerful a continuum is and why these dimensions are powerful in either a positive or negative way. Why the way we see things can be massively impacted in a split second and change how we perceive things. Why our emotions or state of mind can be massively influenced or swing in a different direction. And why something we place so much value on can suddenly lose all value, and why we behave the way we do. Because of this interconnectedness, it means that when something happens in one dimension, it invokes a reaction in the other dimensions. It's a bit like a push and pull scenario where each entity pushes or pulls on the others, but it also is pushed and pulled by the other entities. What this means is that a huge amount of power is unleashed every time there is a shift in any dimension within this continuum.